Hi, I'm the Rifter, and I'm going to show you a tip that took me a few days to figure out after I installed a SwingCase that I didn't install completely the first time. Like, I put it in, but I left out 2 screws because I really didn't want to drill into my frame. And if some of you are kind of nervous about that but still want the SwingCase, then you're in the right place. So let's get into this. So this is the SwingCase. Very easy to use. So I did have to take this cover off right here and drill, and I had to drill to make those holes a little bigger. But that's a piece of plastic and it's completely covered up, so it didn't really matter. This right here, you'll have to take that off. I think it's a T30, and you might want to cut, if you've got a bed liner, but cut this plastic piece right here just a notch out so this won't be bunched up. I didn't do that, but I'm weird. But you'll have to take this off and put this piece back on. Just follow the instructions, it's not that bad. What you do not have to do is you do not have to take your tail light out. Now this is very difficult to take these tail lights out. I got mine out, and when I realized I had to drill into the actual body of my truck, I immediately did not want to do that. So I left these 2 screws out, which left this hanging down, and this thing would scrape the bed liner a little bit. So what I did was I went over to, I think I went to Ace Hardware, any hardware store, but you'll need to get 1/4-inch bolts, not bolts, 1/4-inch self-tapping screws. And what I mean by 1/4-inch is not the head. You want, this is almost like an advertisement for them, but this piece right here goes behind your tail light, and I didn't use it. But you want the width of the threaded part of the screw. That has to be a 1/4-inch, but it's a self-tapping screw. And you can paint the heads of them glossy black if you want, but I don't really see the problem with leaving it silver. So again, those 2 screws right there, they're self-tapping screws. They threaded right in, and I used an electric ratchet with a socket on it to tighten them up. Once you do that, this is probably one of the easiest installs you'll do. And this toolbox is extremely handy. It's got plenty of room in it, and it's just called a SwingCase. But if you don't want to drill into your frame, I highly recommend this. Again, this video helped you out. Like, share, subscribe, rate, comment, whatever. Thanks for watching. Bye.